As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, I will always be thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, I will always be your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, I will always do my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, I will always be remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I will be doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, I will surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, I will not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, I will always be remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, I will always be spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I will do as you say. I will behave as you like. I will always be working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 4th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sri Vaikunthanatha, Sriman Narayana, teaching good things to Pridhu Maharaju, saying like this, O Pridhu, body is different, Atma is different. Those who knows this fact, Asmin Pratibuddhaha na anushajjate, they will not be attached to this body and bodily things. Those who does have an understanding that body is different from Atma, because this house, children, family, wealth, everything belongs to only body, they will not be attached to these things more. Ho Pridhu, Atma, the soul, is a self-glowing entity. Atma is pure, whereas body is filled up with so much of contamination. Atma is beyond sattva rajas tamo gunas. Atma is beyond attachment and the hatredness, whereas body is filled up with three gunas and always be getting influenced by attachment and hatredness. O Pridhu, Atma is very tiny one, Anuswarupam. Even then it spreads, it pervades all over, and there is nothing that can get into Atma. Kutastham imam Atmanam yo Veda apnoti sobhanam. This body is sustaining only because Atma's presence. And those who have this understanding, slowly they will attain the Atma Sakshatkaram, and with that they will get relieved from the cycle of birth and death. O Raja, O Pridhu, this world is filled up with sattva-rajas tamo gunas and always will be changing its form, its names. And body is made out of panchabhutas, indriyas, manas. And there will be always a change in the body also. Pains, pleasures, everything belongs to only body, not related to Atma at all. And those who wants to get a complete understanding about Atma, those who wants to get Atma Sakshatkaram, they have to devote themselves to me. Mayi baddha sauhrudaha. They have to develop so much of devotion and affection, love towards me. And they should always be thinking about me. With that constant meditation upon me, they will get Atma Sakshatkaram. That is why, O Pridhu, you also engage your manas with me. Like that, Srimannarayana teaching to Pridhu Maharaju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, We want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.